In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an Adobe Acrobat signature. If you've added a signature to a PDF in Adobe Acrobat and need to take it off, the process is very straightforward. This can be useful if you place the signature in the wrong spot, use the wrong signature, or simply want to make changes before sending or saving the document. I'll walk you through the exact process clearly so you can do it in just a few moments. To begin, open Adobe Acrobat and make sure the PDF you're working on is already open on your screen. Before you do anything else, take a quick look through the document and locate the signature you want to remove. This helps you avoid deleting anything by mistake, especially if the page contains other form fields, text, or annotations. Once you've found the signature, click directly on it. When you select it, Adobe Acrobat should highlight the signature or show that it's active. This is an important step because the delete option won't appear until the signature itself is selected. If nothing seems to happen at first, just click carefully on the signature again and make sure you're targeting the signature element rather than another part of the page. After the signature is selected, look for the trash icon that appears. This icon is the delete option for the selected signature. Click on the trash icon to remove the signature from the PDF. In most cases, the signature will disappear immediately after you click it. That's all you need to do. The signature should now be removed from the document. As a quick tip, if you don't see the trash icon right away, try clicking the signature one more time and pause for a moment to let the editing controls appear. Also, make sure you're working in a version of the PDF that allows edits. Some signed or protected documents may limit what can be changed. So if the option doesn't appear, the file may have restrictions. It's also a good idea to review the page after removing the signature, just to confirm that only the signature was deleted and everything else remains in place. If needed, you can then continue editing the PDF or add a new signature in the correct location. And that's how to remove an Adobe Acrobat signature quickly and easily.